Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? Hope you all are fine over there. In the last class, we have discussed the power of people in democracy. Hope you learned that portions. Today, we will start with the topic Other Ways of Participating People in Democracy. Children, now you know that voting through elections, people can participate in the democratic government. But elections are usually held only once in 5 years. So, what are the other ways of participating people in the process of government? People can participate by taking an interest in the working of the government and by criticizing it when it is required.
For example, in August 2005, when a particular government increased the money people had to pay for electricity, then what they did? People expressed their disapproval very sharply by way of conducting rallies and also organized signature campaigns. Then the government tried to explain and defend its decision, but finally listened to the people's opinion and withdrew the increase. Here you can see the government had to change its decision because it is responsible to the people. Like that, so many different ways in which people express their views and make governments understand what actions they should take. These include dharnas, rallies, strikes, signature campaigns, etc. Besides, newspapers, magazines and TV also play a prominent role in discussing government issues and responsibilities. People can free to share their views and opinions either through electronic media or other forms of medias, whatever it is available for public communications.
While it is true that a democracy allows people to participate, but at the same time, it is also true that not all sessions of people are actually able to do. So therefore, organizing the left out session into social movement is a good option to empower the members of the minority community, Dalits, Adivasis and women. So these are the different ways people can participate in the process of government. Then the government has the responsibility to resolve conflicts. What is resolve conflict? When the people are peacefully demonstrating something against government or someone's opinion, there is no harm. But if they start breaking rules, laws and regulations, in that case, government definitely have the power to resolve conflict. Conflicts occur when people of different cultures, religions, regions or economic backgrounds do not get along with each other, or when some among them feel they are being discriminated against. So, in that case, the government is responsible for helping to resolve conflicts. Religious processions and celebrations can sometimes lead to conflicts. Here, the police is responsible for ensuring that violence does not take place. Even the river issue too can become a source of conflicts between states. A river may begin in one state, flow through another and end in a third. The sharing of river water between different states that the river goes through is becoming a big issue of conflict. For example, you may have heard about the Kaveri water dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. From all these kinds of conflicts, we have to understand that whatever the conflicts we have, we can discuss on it. We can show our peaceful demonstration on it. In case if it is violent, in that case, as a part of democratic government, the government have to take care not to be very rude to the people. because the leaders are represented by the people through voting. Now, let's discuss the last topic in this chapter, that is equality and justice. Equality and justice are the key idea of democracy. They are inseparable. They go hand in hand. Our constitution provides fundamental rights, and one of them is right to equality. And according to it, untouchability is banned by law. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi were two of the most prominent personalities who protested against untouchability in India. Besides, the government makes special provisions for the underprivileged people. The government takes steps to provide justice by providing special. For example, the girl child suffer injustice at the hands of the parents and society. In order to overcome this injustice, fees of the girl in the school may be lowered in government schools or colleges. So these are the different ways the government take to ensure that all people are treated equally. With this topic, we are ending this chapter. So students, I hope all of you understood the concept clearly. And please note that the related URLs, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.